How many of you are trapped in situations you can't control? Many succumb and borrow rage and pain and alcohol. Media profits from your pain. Corporates want your soul. Between the trauma and the lies, the devil wants your fall. I say, how many of you are trapped in situations you can't control? Many succumb and borrow rage and pain and alcohol. Media profits from your pain. Corporates want your soul. Between the trauma and the lies, the devil wants your soul. Sometimes it seems upendo haukuita easier. Hustle for Zungu, but kuchanda kwacho easier. Skipping church for work, are you productive or just easier? But ask God for my blessings, kunge nizia. Many are caught looking for options, paying the price for a coffee, numbing the conscience, using drugs, just outer endorsements. But it's time to look to Jesus and what the Father is offering. Have a strong base in God to impart to your offspring. It's a